So in this lecture, we are going to make a spiral animation in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started.
Graphic teacher.
So first of all, we take image size 800 by 1000 pixels and go to Edit, Define Pattern and create a pattern. Go to New, create a new file 2000 by 2000 pixels and keep transparent. Go to Edit, Fill and select the pattern. Keep script on, spiral, effect and select that pattern which we have created. OK. Try to match the settings. Pattern spacing, we keep it 0 for right now. Ring spacing 100 and pattern scale 1 is very small, we keep it 2. You can check the brightness randomness and color randomness. We keep it very minimal and keep pattern upright off to better spiral effect. See, the pattern is looking very nice and we are going to make more layers like this. Go to Edit, Fill again and pattern spacing 50. OK. Now this way you can create multiple layers and animate them later. So I'm creating a new layer again. Now this time I increase 100 again, ring spacing 1, ring spacing 10 and one more time, this time 20, 200 and like this way all the layers. I am fast forwarding to save the time. Our image is 800 by 1000 pixels, so it can't be 1200. We have to keep 1000 only. So this way I have created all the 7 layers which I want to animate right now. Go to timeline or go to Windows and timeline, keep the timeline on, create frame animation. There are 2, but we create frame animation. So as per the layers, I am creating 7 frames, duplicate them and press Alt and click on the eye icon and each frame keep each layer on. So this way I have created all 7 layers and all 7 frames. Select all frames and keep duration 0.2. Increase the thumbnail size, it is optional and just play and see the magic. Now go to File, Export, Render Video or you can go to GIF files. Keep it 400. To keep a GIF file low size, take a preview. See, this is looking absolutely fine and size is also very low. I'm exporting a video, render video. Save wherever you want, just render. See, your video is ready. For more videos like this, subscribe and follow my channel Graphic Teacher. Thank you so much.